we've reached the city of Miramichi's other downtown, downtown Newcastle.
This downtown area is also very charming. As you can see, it's a town square centered around this beautiful park we're standing in, Queen Elizabeth Park.
It's a favorite meeting place for the community, for formal events, or just to relax and watch people coming and going from the shops.
And speaking of shops, there are several amazing options right here on the square. There's a stylish flower shop, a cafe where you can get your local coffee hit, and there's even a chocolatier who makes their chocolate right here on site.
It's the hub of the action. My favorite feature is the fountain. Got a coin? Let's make a wish. Off to the boardwalk. We've now reached the Miramichi Region's most popular summer destination, Ritchie Wharf.
The park carries a maritime and shipbuilding theme throughout, paying tribute to Miramichi's past when it was one of the busiest shipbuilding areas in the whole world. Just check out those masts.
Ritchie Wharf is a waterfront boardwalk park. It really comes to life in summer, especially with families. As you can see here behind us, the tall ship-themed play area and the ever-popular splash pad.
My kids love it here. Well, here we are on the boardwalk, headed toward the tastiest part of the park.
I'm interested.
There are lots of ways to arrive here at Ritchie Wharf, by car, walking, or biking along the riverfront trail, even by boat.
This is a perfect place to dock a boat. Run into town, grab some supplies, and grab some snacks or cold beverages at the shops.
There's a craft brewery outlet, a restaurant, a donut shop, and of course there's an ice cream shop. They have so many options, including their famous ice cream nachos.
Yum!